back to another episode of Build with Wes, and I'm really excited because I'm entering in to a Lego show, this battle scene. These are the requirements that I needed to build. It had to be under 400 pieces, and it had to be on a 20 by 20 board. Just a tip, sometimes you need to look for inspiration, and this is what I did. I looked through my Force of Creativity book. This is a special limited edition that came out last year. This is probably the best Lego Star Wars book that's ever been produced. I really like this book because it has lots of ideas. You want something that will wow the judges. You couldn't use a set that's already been built, but at least it makes you creative. I wanted to make it three-dimensional, so this is why I put this canyon down. It looks very good. I like the trees because you can't have a battle scene without the good old trees. One of the things I like about this is that I put this battery pack on, and you can definitely see what it's for. I did the lighting and how do you do light up bricks? I got mine from Father Christmas, so I don't know where you get them from. Hiding the battery pack was one of the hardest things in this scene because you have to put the wires through those bricks into here. When you think you're finished, give yourself 10 or so minutes to put on the little details. Little details like the leaves, the vines, and the trees. So here we are, I'm dropping my entry into the show. So let's see how it goes. Well, I've put it in and I'm so excited. I think I'm feeling very confident. We'll see how it goes. The thing about entering a Lego competition, it's great. It's challenging. I love it. We're at the Bathurst show and see how I win. I got first prize. Check this out. I won first prize. I'm really happy with the results. I would recommend it if there's any young people out there that want to enter in the Lego. I didn't expect to win, but I won, so I'm really happy with it. So get out there and start building. Bye and see you soon on another episode of Build with Wes.